Okay, I'm super excited to show the girls this awesome gift that we got. It came in the mail a while ago, but I've been hanging on to it for the right time to show them. They're gonna be so excited. And I've been hiding it in our garage, and I think right now is the perfect time. We weren't gonna post a vlog today, but we decided to do this instead. It's an awesome box. And I'm not gonna tell you guys, I wanna catch their reaction and see what or how they react to it, because long story short, they love this. And they're actually just doing a little project at the table, so it's perfect timing. They're gonna be right there. Let me see if I can. Hey girls! I got a surprise for you.
What is it? What is that? What is it? What is that?
Hold on. Don't look. I already opened it because I had to make sure.
You already opened it. Come on.
Yep,
Opening it is the first part.
First, can you guess what it is?
No. A horse. It's probably a dog.
A dog? It could be. You guys have been wanting a dog, a puppy.
A cat?
You guys have been.
I think
a cat can fit in here.
I think maybe. That's you.
What?
I see your mouth moving.
What are you talking about? Okay, so I guess you guys can't figure out what it is, so I'll let you guys take a look. Are you guys ready? Hold on. Are you guys excited? Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, open.
We're just so excited, guys. So since you didn't see what it is, and we did, we're gonna show you what's inside, and we're gonna do it in a little unboxing. But by the title, you probably already know what it is. Yeah. So let's go unbox. Yep. So we got Hatchimals, and these are our favorite. We're just so obsessed with it. And by the way, this wasn't sponsored. We're just so glad that we got them. Thanks, Hatchimals Company, for giving it to us. All of these are season 2, and this is the 4-pack. Oh my god. 2-pack. 2-pack. So let's separate it. So they brought enough for all 4 of us. Yeah. Today, Cash is sleeping. He's very tired, but we're gonna put his to the side, and he will be able to do his later. Here, put his back there. Okay, yes. And here we got a little surprise one. He probably like that one. Yeah, like a. What is in? What the? Okay, let's do that again. Okay, 12-pack, 2 12-pack. Oh my surprise bag. Oh, okay, let's clean. Oh my gosh, we got so much Hatchimal, guys. Nope. So all of these are season 2, and we got 4 4-packs, 4 2-packs, 4 single packs, and we cannot wait. So we're gonna put Cash's and a special one aside. Let's open these up. Let's start with the single pack. Okay. So this is kind of. Oh, there's like a half rip over here. So just rip it out. Oh, that one? Oh. Oh my god. I just put that one down. Excited. So it only comes in an egg, just so you know. There. So, and then look, you just tear it right here. Is there anything else? Oh, dude, oh, mine's already turning pink. So yeah, you rub it until it turns pink. It's purple and then it turns pink. Mine's already turning pink. Wow, and they have different colors here. I'm getting it. There's yellow, pink, white, blue. Oh my gosh! Look. Oh my god! I got one of the sparkly ones. That is so cool. Wait, look. I got one side pink and one side purple. So you can see the different color. Okay, so I'm gonna keep rubbing it to open it. I'm gonna wait till you guys are finished. Do you need help? Here, let me hold it. Yeah, because you have long fingers. I'll just make a little crack in it. No, I'll make a crack. This one. Oh, sorry, I couldn't crack it. Its mouth is like accident. I think it's a rhino. Mine, I think it's a seal. It's a cute little seal. Yours is sparkly. I like yours. Thanks. too. I'm keeping it. Oh, look at that. Oh, so cute. I think that's a, what is it called? A beaver, yeah, a beaver, a pink beaver. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the 2-packs. So if you're not familiar with Hatchimals, they're just like, they come in little eggs and you're supposed to take care of them and like rub them and make them warm like a real mama. And then, so when they're warm, there's a heart that's purple, and when it turns pink, that means they're ready to crack open, and then there's a secret animal inside, and there's many different, and there's different ones we got. And there's also like, there's limited edition ones. Yeah, here, look, I got one of the, and there's sparkly ones, and there's 5 kind of soft, really soft ones. Yeah, and if you make sure you try to find the golden Hatchimal. Yeah, it's so cool. I haven't seen it, but
I love the soft ones. They're so soft.
Yeah, we don't have it. Let's get started on our next package. So we have the 2-pack. 2-pack.
This is easy. Just open the back of nothing.
So we don't know everything about Hatchimals, but right now I think we found out that there's like a map, and each of them are together, and you have to find like a match or something. So there's different things, and you like put the puzzle. Wait, together. Let's make the puzzle right here. So let's just put them there. We can find out the puzzle later. Yeah. Fine. Oh look, so the 2-packs come with one little egg.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Just so you know. What happened? That should be on the messing up thing. What happened? She's like, oh my god, she's like, whoa. Just popped out.
I love these.
I love it. So yeah, all you need to do is just rub the heart until it turns pink to make it warm, and then it gets softer, and then you crack a hole, and then you see which one you got. Here, look, I'll show you what my soft part. My finger's stuck. So look, it's like a little bit, and then it'll get softer, and then you have to wait until it gets really pink. Some are really easy to do, some are kind of hard.
Mine is really easy.
Look how cute.
I have one of those, but they're all yellow.
Oh my gosh, guys.
This is red.
Keep rubbing. 1 second. Just wait a moment. A few hours later. Okay, and then when it gets soft, you crack a hole and start cracking. Oh, I think I got a little monkey. Sorry. I don't know what this is. But comment down below if you know what it is.
I think I know what that is.
Let me see. Oh look, there's a hole for his head.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna pick it out.
It's like a zebra, but like pink. Wait, no, it's a And when you're doing your egg, there's in the 2-packs and up, there's like a little nest. And while one of your eggs are waiting, they can sit in the nest. And the nests are super cute. And then they're nice. Oh, I got one.
These 3.
I got the same as the.
Oh, we have that. We have the same one. It's red and everything. We have the same one. Me and Lily both like it. And now both of us have it. And I just sorry, Lou. And I got a cute snake. So it looks like we have most of our map, and we're hoping to find the last piece. Yeah, because the 4-packs also have one at the bottom. Yeah. So we have the 4-packs. Each of the 4-packs come with a bonus 5th one that's already open. You can already see it, and it looks like a super cute chameleon. It is. So guys, we're gonna have a race on who can open all their 4-packs. Who can open all their 4-pack eggs first. Okay, let's just clear the space first. Before we start the race, I'm gonna tell everyone, whoever wins, it's just for fun. Ready, set, go! Do it at the same time. And the instructions say that just hold it in your hand and then it gets warm. Yeah, because pink. Your hand is warm. And look, I was just holding it and I'm like, oh my gosh, it turned fully pink. So since I already have mine's fully pink, so I can press.
Mine's fully pink too.
Press, crack. Wonder what I got this time. I got one of the shimmery ones. Look, it's a whale. Really?
You got the same as Izzy. Izzy got one.
No, this is a seal.
Oh.
Wait, is it a seal? Oh my gosh, look, it's a narwhal. I think it's so cute. We have that one. My favorite Hatchimal so far is my cute pink and green changing pink. So we decided that we're going to split a 12 pack into 6 for me and Izzy, and Lily's going to have 4. But in the end, we're going to split it equally, and the rest is for later on Cash's video. So let's get started on opening both of these. Izzy's gonna open it, and I'm gonna split it. Ah, okay?
Yeah.
Ow.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, I'll let you open the real egg. Okay.
Extra.
Wait, I'm gonna do something. Everyone, eyes on me. Okay. Okay, so you get that key one. So there's 2 already open in this one. Oh my gosh, that one is super cute. Seriously. That one's like a bee, and I got this one. Super cute. Yeah. He's gonna go in the nest with his brother. And then I'm gonna split these. Okay, so friend. So we're gonna quickly open these and show you all the Hatchimals at the end. So just so you're aware, the wings determine how rare they are. The silver is common. Just point. The pink is rare. Point. The purple one is ultra rare, and the blue is limited edition. All of us have all of them. We had so much fun unboxing all these awesome Hatchimals. Thanks, Daddy, for surprising us, and thanks, Hatchimal, for giving us all these awesome Hatchimals. If you like these kind of videos, comment down below and give us likes and turn your notification buttons. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. BOLANOSBunch bats now.
Oh my gosh, look at all this mess. Who's gonna clean this up?
Me.
Not me. Not me.
You.
Oh my goodness.